Hi there from Bugeye Guys room. We're talking about safety today, and courtesy of Bluey, our 407th Bugeye sold, soon to be heading to Austin, Texas. A great car, gave me a nice test drive out on a 2-lane road, and I wanted to talk to you about the precision of staying where you want to be in your lane. You're not just flopping around between the yellow and the white line, you're actually deliberately and consciously positioning your car in the lane for maximum safety. And what I'm doing here is riding just alongside the double yellow line. Absolutely, you don't want to go over it, but you can kind of sneak up to the edge of it because it helps you be higher up on the crown of the roadway, more able to see around. I can see the second car behind the pickup truck. I can see around the SUV in front of me, and they can better see me, and that helps keep me safer. So you want to be in this position in your lane when you're out driving any car, but especially a little classic car. Here I am hugging the white line for demonstration purposes. You can see now that the hatchback of this SUV in front of me is actually shielding me. They can't see me when they're coming as well. I can't see as well because I'm lower down away from what I need to see. Right here, you should see I'm sort of obstructed from anybody coming at me because of my proximity to the SUV plus the angle. And if, right here, you can see I'm actually using the SUV from blocking as a block in exactly the wrong way because I'm too far to the right side of the road. So think about this next time you're out driving. It's a great practice, and we wish you many safe miles in your classic car or any car. And thanks for coming for a drive with us today at Bugeye Guys.